now tuned into the greatest.
What's good, wealth builders? All right, so how do you build wealth? By focus, by using your focus. Okay, the easiest way to do this, right, is to focus on wealth, but focus on earning income. Okay, earning income and earning more income. Okay, like earning more income should be your number one focus at all times. Okay, earning more, earning more, earning more, earning more. Okay, this is the only way you'll make to be wealthy, is by earning more income. Okay, a lot of people struggle with this because they don't understand this thing. They think, they could save their way to wealth. But in reality, is you can't, okay? You can't save your way to wealth. There's no way possible to save your way to wealth, okay? No 401k, none of that stuff can make it so you will be wealthy, okay? What you need to do is earn more, and the more you earn, the more you invest. The more you invest, the wealthier you'll be, okay? And the way you earn more is by actually focusing on building a side business, okay? You have to. This is the only way, okay? So you use your focus to build a side business, and then you focus on earning more and then taking that money to invest with. I know you were waiting for something more prolific, more crazy information, but it's really simple, okay? It's really simple. The more you focus on wealth and the more you focus on just increasing your income and earning more, then you'll be more wealthy because you take that money and invest. Okay, not buy trinkets, don't buy a new car, don't buy a new watch. You take that money and invest. And like I said, the way you would start and getting more money is by starting an online business, okay? Starting an online business. I'm gonna say it again, starting an online business. All right, that's how you do it, man. So what you need to do is click the link below, because you'll learn how to increase your income on your current job, save money on your taxes, increase your credit, and also start a online business all in one, okay? So with that being said, man, it's your boy Devon signing off for how to create wealth from focus. The more you focus, the wealthier you'll be. Until next time, do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.
It's the Wealth Builders, baby.